Sure. Here's a script that explains how Earth formed. Written in a clear, engaging narrative style. This would work well as a voiceover for a video or a school presentation. Title: The Birth of Earth. Opening scene: Outer space, 4.6 billion years ago. Narrator: Long before life began, before oceans and mountains formed, our planet Earth was just a dream in the dust of space. Visual swirling clouds of gas and dust. Narrator: About 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula began to collapse. This collapse was likely triggered by the shock wave from a nearby exploding star, a supernova. Visual: nebula spinning faster, flattening into a disk. Narrator: As gravity pulled the cloud inward, it started to spin and flatten into a disk. At the center, the sun was born. Around it, bits of matter collided and stuck together, forming larger and larger clumps. Visual: rocky clumps smashing together. Narrator: One of these clumps grew big enough to become a planet, our Earth. But the early Earth was nothing like the world we know today. Visual: molten Earth, volcanoes, asteroid impacts. Narrator: It was a fiery, hostile place. Constant bombardment by asteroids and comets kept its surface molten. Over time, the heaviest materials, like iron and nickel, sank to the center, forming Earth's core. Lighter materials rose, creating the mantle and crust. Visual: steam and volcanic gas forming atmosphere. Narrator: Volcanoes released gases, forming Earth's first atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen. There was no oxygen yet. Visual: Earth cools, water condenses to form oceans. Narrator: As Earth cooled, water vapor condensed into rain, falling for millions of years, creating oceans. With water, the stage was set for something extraordinary. Visual: microscopic life in shallow seas. Narrator: Life began. Tiny organisms emerged in the oceans, slowly changing the planet's chemistry. Some began producing oxygen through photosynthesis, transforming the atmosphere and making life as we know it possible. Closing scene: modern Earth from space. Narrator: From chaos came creation. From dust, fire, and water came the Earth, our home, shaped by time and still changing today. Would you like this turned into a script format for a short film, animation, or classroom play?